Hi there, as a part of AgilePoint's version 10 release, we're happy to announce Lookup support for Google Gemini. Now this capability builds on existing content you might have seen around process activities and AI control towers for the same platform. But as of now, you can now invoke this large language model from your AgilePoint form. So to get started, we'll look at creating an access token for Gemini. So in Manage, under App Builder, we have Global Access Tokens. Now again, I'm going to create a globally reusable token that can be shared across applications and developers, but we do always have the option for an app level token. Okay, now as you're seeing here, the access token configuration is pretty straightforward. We'll give our token a name, optionally a description, and supply the API key. Now if we are creating this connection for the first time, we can go ahead and test the connection. And then from there, have the option to specify the model or tie the model to this particular token. Now this is really handy from an ongoing manageability perspective, as now I have one place to change my model as opposed to across a number of applications, lookups, process activities, or AI control towers. Okay, so now that we have our access token in place, we can go ahead and leverage it as a part of our lookup. So moving into our application, as you can see here, it's pretty straightforward. And rather than waiting for the process to complete to invoke Gemini, again, we're going to do so directly here from our form. All right, so what you're going to see here is that a document will be uploaded to our form, passed into one of the out-of-the-box document repositories, and again, directly from our form, invoking a lookup for Gemini. So a document will be uploaded using the file upload control. One of the AgilePoint JavaScript helper methods will convert that document into text and populate the hidden control that you're seeing here. Now this lookup will fire when this field is populated, and again, gives us that ability to fire our lookup. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lookup configuration. We'll see here we've tied a model to this particular token, set initial model parameters, and then moving into the system instructions, you're going to find the same structured and bounded experience as we had in the process activities and AI control tower videos. The goals or mission are to extract structured metadata from a document, in this case, a statement of work. The skills include contract parsing, project scoping, milestone recognition, and JSON formatting. The input is going to be the entire agreement text, various instructions, no quality verification in this case, and then the output, as you're seeing here, is a JSON structure, which will be carried over to the remaining configurations of this activity. Now you're seeing here, Gemini does give us safety settings with different options we can toggle between. The request, as we discussed, is going to be that agreement text. And the response, again, has been intelligently carried over from my system instructions. Now here, in this case, we're going to map the response back from our model to the AgilePoint form schema. And in my case, no error messages have been configured. Okay, so now that we understand the configuration, let's go ahead and run the application. So here we have our interface. I'm going to upload a statement of work document. Behind the scenes, JavaScript is converting this document into text, populating our hidden control, and as you're seeing here, my lookup is now firing. Okay, so details here, high-level information about our project, milestones and schedule, signatories, action, and so on. So as you're seeing here, I did receive the expected results back from my large language model exactly as we'd shown you in the process activities and AI control tower video, only this time invoked at the form level. So with that, that's going to conclude the content for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon.